Ayan, we're here na sa Skyway. So, nakikita niyo yan? Ayan, oh. That's Dusit Thani and that's where we're going. Hello everyone! So, sa lahat ng mga tatay, mga dads, mga papa out there, Happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat. Ayan na, we're here na. So anyway, in celebration of Father's Day, actually, in celebration of two occasions, mag-overnight staycation kami dito sa Dusit Thani Hotel. Yan, so magpapa-valet kami. Alakad na lang kami going to the malls here. So what's the other celebration? We're also celebrating our wedding anniversary. Hindi kasi kami nakapag-celebrate last week kasi my husband was out of town for work. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we're here at the lobby of Dusit Thani. So pinili namin tong Dusit Thani Hotel kasi sa tinagal-tagal nitong hotel na to, never pa namin na-experience mag-staycation dito. Nakikita ko na to since maliit pa ako. This used to be Manila Garden Hotel. Tapos naging Hotel Nico siya. And then now, Dusit Thani. And then I remember during the weekdays, as in araw-araw ko siyang nadadaanan. Kasi I used to go to school in Makati. So talagang very, very familiar sa akin tong place na to. I've attended some events here, mga occasions. Nakapag-Easter egg hunting na rin yung mga kids ko dito. Pero never a staycation. So yun, so I'm glad that I chose this hotel for our celebration. So tara, let's go around. So, mag-check-in muna ako. So, we're almost done with check-in. Let's go to the room now. Okay, punta tayong elevator. 9th floor pala tayo.
I'm getting my iPad from you though.
9th floor.
It smells fruit like candle.
1917.
Okay, ito yung room namin ni Daddy. Yun nga. Okay, so this is the room. Yan, that's a king-size bed. Yan yung mga gamit namin. Yan yung TV. And then this one. Andyan yung fridge sa loob ng cabinet. Yung mga glasses. Oh, tinan mo yung fridge, oh. Here.
Thank you.
Ito yung desk. So here, sa desk, nandito yung electric kettle and then merong pitcher of water. Merong mga cups. Then, let's take a look at this. Oh, coffee. Okay. May mirror. Tapos may table and merong isang accent chair. May lamp.
Password.
Side table. Ayan. So, meron siyang carpet. Ako pa naman, pag mga hotels, ayoko nang may carpet. Pero, wala naman ako magagawa. Ito yung closet. Let's check the closet. Ayan. Merong bathroom. Ilan to? Isa lang. Tapos may slippers. So, this is the kabayo of the iron. Ayan yung iron. Sarado na natin yan. Meron pa ba dito sa kabila? Oh, here. Dito sa kabilang side, nandito yung safe. Tapos mga drawers. Alright, let's close. Oh, ayan. Drawer din pala to.
Where's the...
Yan, so sa tabi ng bathroom door, merong full-length mirror. So, ito yung mga switches ng ilaw. Ay, ito ba? Tama ba? Ayan, saksakan. Ayan, yun pala yung switch ng ilaw. Let's take a look at the view. So, anong side tayo?
EDSA.
EDSA pala to. Okay, medyo hindi nalilinis ang salamin. Well, anyway, EDSA yan. Okay, let me show you the bathroom. Okay, that's a toilet. Ayan, they have a bidet here. And then, yan. Ayan, merong mirror. Tapos here. Check natin. Ano? Toiletries. Toothbrush. And this is a body lotion. Body lotion. Ayun, the towels are there. And then there's more here. Ayan, so ito yung shower area. May shampoo, may conditioner, and body wash. Ito yung room ng mga kids ko.
I already spoke, sorry.
Same lang din naman ang room namin. They also got a king size bed. Pero, 3 sila dyan. Would you believe? Kasya naman sila eh. We're gonna have lunch somewhere. Lalakad lang kami. No need to bring a car. So, ayan. Siguro dyan sa SM or maybe Glorieta. Oh, medyo mainit. We're now here at SM. So, pumunta kami dito sa One Ayala Mall. So, we're gonna eat lunch here sa Tiong Bahru. This is mayonnaise chicken. Ito, this is lemon chicken naman.
Kulang pa.
It's 2020 above. Ano to?
Ayan, let's have dessert. The Carmen's Best ice cream. Daughter has what? Vanilla. Okay, we're at the second floor. So, magji-gym kami ng daughter ko ngayon kasi kanina ang dami naming nakain. Workout muna ako. Since I ate so much kaninang lunch. So, this is the gym. There. That's daughter. So I'm gonna do a little bit of weight training today. Konti lang, just to burn some calories. Ito naman yung spa area. There's the spa. We're gonna have dinner. Gabi na, it's 7 p.m. So nasa labas kami ulit. Ay, umaambon. We have to be fast. Ayan. So, dito kami magde-dinner sa Mary Grace Cafe.
But like, she's styled so cute. Or that's K-dramas in general. Like, she looks like a doll.
Ano yan? Eggs Benedict. I got the mushroom pasta pero hati kami ng daughter ko. Ayun yung kahati. Yung kaya ubusin eh. So that is... What pasta is that?
Extra garlic.
No, that one. What's that?
Carbonara.
That's carbonara. And then there... Husband got the bangus. And then another mushroom pasta there. Then I got dessert. This is the chocolate cake.
Or like,
Si ate got the affogato cake. So I'm drinking wine with hubby right now in the room. Pampaantok. Good morning. So I'm gonna have breakfast with my family today. Nauna na si husband dito sa baba. Sunod na lang kami ng mga kids. So yun. Nauna na nga si asawa. siya. So, I'm gonna have coffee muna. Alright, let's get some food.
You can eat chocolate.
Yan, favorite ko, mga eggs. So from here, this buffet area is so big. Meron pa pala dito. Ayun, oh. Pa kumain. Chinese area. And then, ito yung parang mga Filipino food. This is like the Indian food section. Okay, what are you getting, dear daughter?
Many food.
Gutom ka? Parang dami ah.
This is
Parang
my
puro-
second plate.
Parang puro carbs ang breakfast mo.
Second plate ko to.
Grabe. Yogurt.
I'm not guilty for what I'm eating, to be honest. Yung naisip ko talaga siya.
Dad, ayaw mo nang kumain? Eh, ang cute ng taho. May taho pa sila dito. Oh, di ba? Ayan yung taho. Oo nga eh. Coffee section. Fruits. And plain dessert section. Nice. So, meron pang ibang pastries dito. Yan, may bayad na yung macarons na yan. Yung ice cream, wala. Yan lang kinuha ko. Fruits and drinks. Yan lang naman ang dessert ng anak ko. Kaya mo yan? Sigurado ka? Okay, so we're done eating. Balik mo na sa room. Ayan na, tuk-tuk. So cute. Labas tayo sa may garden area. Ayun, may pond pala na merong mga koi. Ang lalaki, oh. Maayos pa naman yung hotel, pero siguro it just needs a little bit of painting. Ayan, no. I mean, what do you expect? Tagal-tagal na talaga nitong hotel na to. This is the Ben Jarong restaurant. Okay, ito yung pool area. Okay, let me show you the pool. So later on, magsa-swimming kami. So I'm back at the gym. Dami ko nakain kaninang breakfast. For a while lang, sa gym ako. So I'm back in the room. Dapat ang checkout namin is 12 p.m. pero nagpa-extend kami until 5 p.m. So anyway, meron kaming time para makapag-swimming pa from 1 up to around 4:30 p.m. bago mag-checkout. Swimming time! Yan. So happen, walang tao at this time. Now it's 1:45. We have the pool all to ourselves. Okay, so merienda muna kami dito sa poolside. Got pizza and nachos. It's 5 p.m. and it's time to check out. Punta muna ako sa reception. Uwian na and we had a lovely stay here, but before that, magdi-dinner muna kami somewhere in Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. We're gonna have dinner here sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay to complete the Father's Day celebration. Ayan. Change of plans, we're going south kasi sobrang puno ang Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Ayan, so there we ended up here at Alabang Town Center. So we're gonna have dinner here at Italiani's. So this is our dinner. Pizza, lasagna, chicken, and another pasta. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. This is Nell. Bye! Kakain muna ako.